So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how we can extract face from an image. So for this purpose, I'm using this image. So I'm going to extract face from this image and going to store that cropped face to the local directory. So let's start. So first we need to import the required libraries. For this purpose, we are using NumPy, CV2, PIL, SKI image, then matplotlib. So let's start and let's run the code step by step. So for this purpose, I'm using my Google Collab. You can use anything. You can use Jupyter Notebook or you can use normal Python installation in Python or Visual Studio Code. So let's start. So let's first import all the libraries. So after importing all the libraries, I have to import the image. For importing the image, I am using io.imread and in bracket you have to give the name of the image. So in my left side you can see I am having this image. So let's run this code. Okay, so for showing which image we are using, so with the help of this command, which is plt.imshow in bracket img, so this command will show us which image which we are using. So for detection of face, we require the grayscale image. So here we are converting our image to the grayscale image. We are using OpenCV. So you can see the command cv2.cvtcolor in bracket img comma cv2.color pgr to gray. So this command converts our image from BGR to gray. So after that, after running this command, here you can see our image is successfully converted to the grayscale image. First, our image was this, which is totally RGB image. Now, our RGB image is converted to a grayscale image. So let's run this command, which is convert to RGB. So here you can see we are using har cascade frontal face underscore default.xml file, which is a classifier. This classifier is trained on tons of images for detecting the face. This is a default classifier which is available in a OpenCV documentation, which can able to detect the face from the image. So let's run the following command. This command will save the points where the face is located in the image. So it gives us 4 points. From joining that point, we can create a rectangle, and with the help of those points, we can extract the face from the image. So let's see whether we found a face in this image or not. So here you can see we found one face in that image. So in the next command, we are going to extract that face. So here I am going to show you how you can draw a rectangle using those points. So here you can see we are drawing the rectangle. You can see this green line or green rectangle which shows what is the part of a face in this image. So let's print the x, y, h, w coordinates. So these are the endpoints of this rectangle. So let's print the shape of the image. So you can see shape of the image is 1572, 1047, 3. So let's crop the image. So this command will crop the image, and let's see. So this is how our face is shown when we crop the face from the image. So let's convert again this face to RGB, and with the ctrl and right command we can save this image to a local directory. So if I am refresh, so in the left side you can see our cropped face is saved. Let me show you this image. So here you can see the image is saved, which is of cropped face. So this is how we can extract the face from an image and crop it and save to our local directory. So that's all for today.